Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Sheets for multiple users. So if you want to share a Google Sheet file with your colleagues, and here I'm going to just show you how you can use it for multiple user. Let's say I create a new spreadsheet. For example, here I'm going to just use this template on Google Sheet. So let's say I want to use this file with other colleagues. So what you need to do is click on the share button in here. So the current status is private only to me. So by clicking on the share, I just need to add other users into this file, invite them into this file. So here you just need to add the people. For example, I'm going to just add uh, this people here, and you can choose their role, and after that you can just click on share. So after you click on share, this access has been updated and now the file is not private only to me, it is shared with the other person and it can be used by multiple user. And you can also here, don't forget to change the general access with anyone with the link so it can be used by other users. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.